Getting done with the last flower, and after this I'm gonna cut a strips or a line. This will serve as our stem for the flowers, and then these 3 strips we're going to glue it all together so that it will be sturdy enough to hold the flower. And of course, just like what I said, we're going to glue it like this and do the same thing to the other strips until we're done with the 5 strips. After gluing it, these are all the stems. And now I also cut a strips from the aluminum foil, and we'll cover all the stems with the aluminum foil this way. We will do the same thing until we finish all the stems. For the new viewers that are not subscribed yet in my channel, please do hit subscribe button, click like and share, and also do comment below if you like my video. Please finish this until the end. Thank you so much. This is how it looks, all covered. Here are all the flowers and the stem. Let's start now connecting it at the back. Later on, the back side of the flower, we're going to cover it with aluminum foil also. But first, we need to connect the stem first. Once all of the stems and the flowers are properly connected, let's now start covering the back part of the circle base this way. All we need is to crumple the aluminum foil just to create a design before connecting it to the base. While gluing it, we have to make sure that all of the sides are properly covered by the aluminum foil. And this is just to hide the cardboard and also to add a beautiful finish. Also, for it to look elegant and inexpensive way. Another tip, if you have snacks or chips available at your home, don't throw the plastic because you can use it also as your petals of your flower. We're all done, and this is the outcome of what we did today. What nice flowers we have here. See? Who would have thought that I made a very beautiful flowers out of just only from a plastic waste? I am very happy with the outcome, and I am also proud of myself. I never thought that I will make something like this. I made my day productive, and it turned out very beautiful. See that flower face? I hope you like it, and thank you so much. I hope you enjoy watching also. Have a nice day and stay safe, everyone. Please do comment below if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.